So guys, today we are in another but real deep village. It's called Rybtsi. Rybtsi. It's about 25 kilometers from Sumy, and to Russia border it's about 30 kilometers. As you can see, it's pretty quiet and calm place. We asked one pretty woman about this village and we asked her to show us her real life. And today we are going to show you really beautiful Ukrainian woman, Galina Mikhailovna. By the way, her story is really interesting because she is like village doctor. As I said, here are no shops, no churches, and of course no hospitals. But she takes her bicycle and go from house to help people. So guys, stay tuned and follow me. By the way guys, in this village there is no shop, no church, can you imagine? But you can without problems sit in the bus and go to the city, to the Sumy. This is Galina Mikhailovna. Спасибо. So let's go guys and see inside the village life, real village life. Look what a pretty goat. Lusha white. Lushka white. Also white belka, like a squirrel. And the dark one, it's night. This is really luxury goats. They live free, yes. So you see, they're really clean. They don't like some dirty. And really, not all people can live in such luxury apartments like these goats. So, look, she smiles. This grass is not only goats' food, but it's also to warm them, because now at night it's really cold, and all this hay grass just to make goats warm. Hello! This is like the house for wood, yeah, because there is no gas in this house, and Galina Mikhailovna should make some fire to make her house warm, yeah. So here you can see many wood, many different stuff for all this, and upstairs Galina Mikhailovna can save some hay for her goats, for her chicken. Goats, they like dogs. They even worse than dogs. They can even bite you if you are a strange person. But Galina Mikhailovna, they are like mother and they love her. But you see, they just make noise to us, yeah, because we're just strangers for them. So yeah, they just go for a walk. So let's come inside and just see what is it inside here. But look, what's really beautiful toilet. It's there is no mess here. To clean your hands, to wash your hands, you should just. You see? Та щоб не багато. You see, you can just wash your hands like this. You just push this thing, and you can put water like in this can. Yeah. So yeah, you can just wash your hands like this. Soap, water, and yeah, towel, clean, great towel. So. this is the garden. Yeah, it's really, look what a big place. Yeah, of course now it's autumn and we can't see all the fruits and vegetables, but here are many tomatoes, many apples, potatoes. Yeah, and all these fruit and vegetables for Galina Mikhailovna, for her family, for her grandparents, and of course for her children, pets, yeah, for her goats, for goose, for chicken. Look for these beautiful trees. This is some special berries. Sorry guys, I don't know how it's in English, but in Russian it's облепиха. It's a really healthy berry. If you have some flu, you can make tea from this berry because it has got many of vitamin C, and it's really healthy for your health. Yeah, and also look, it's red. These red berries. This is kalina. It's national Ukrainian berry, and it's national Ukrainian symbol. Look what the beautiful, yeah, no leaves, but what beautiful red berries, even in such deep autumn. We go to the basement. Можно, да, спускаться? Some potatoes, this is for pets, because it's small one. Yeah, it's small one for pets. Many different cans with some tomatoes, juice, some peppers. So it's really food for winter. Usually Ukrainians make such conservations for winter to eat with, I don't know, fried potato, because it's really tasty. Sala, fried potato, and such tomato from the can. So delicious. Now we are in a summer kitchen. It's like typical kitchen for village life. Galina Mikhailovna here cooks, eats during all year. Guys, look, here is no network, no internet, and Galina Mikhailovna has such stationary phone. So Galina Mikhailovna let us in her house. Now we are in living room. Here you can see also different couches, one more bed, and of course TV set here. Thanks God, here people can watch TV at least, yeah, because they haven't got here no network, no internet, bad connection. But they can watch some news, some TV shows, and it's great, yeah? This bath is not for taking a bath, but for laundry. Guys, yes, for laundry. During rain, this bath fills with water. And this water Galina Mikhailovna uses for laundry. Can you imagine?
Магазину немає, врачів немає. автобус ось не буде ходити, бо дачники скончуть це все. І все. І що хочете. В Стецьківку поїхати, треба 18 рублів і стратити, щоб пойти хліба взяти. Оце ми так живемо, діточки.
Здрасте, как вас зовут?
Оксана.
Оксана. Вам нравится жизнь в селе?
Ну, вообще-то я в городе живу, а тут у меня дом. Ну, нравится.
А вот вы бы хотели где больше жить, в селе или именно в городе?
Ну, как вам сказать, зимой лучше в городе. В селе летом хорошо. Особенно в нашем месте. Тут кругом лес, природа, движения нету, машин нету. Народу мало, людей мало. Мне это больше нравится. Ну, а зимой хорошо в городе, потому что...
Тепло и все есть.
Ну да, хотя вот тут, ну, у меня в доме, допустим, отопление, горячая вода, ванна, туалет, все есть в доме. Ну, пока моложе, можно жить и в селе. А кто постарше, тому, конечно, уже все равно хочется в город, когда нет силы.
Оксан, и такой еще вопрос, сразу же нас иностранцы смотрят. Вы бы советовали вот приезжать, чтобы они своими глазами увидели, как вот тут живут люди, вот экскурсионно, так сказать, приезжать?
Не, ну, если есть возможность, что не приехать, не посмотреть. Просто что у нас тут условия не для иностранцев. Просто я 2 месяца по Европе каталась с мужем, и там совсем другая жизнь, чем тут. Если есть деньги, можно ехать куда угодно. Можно ехать в пустыню, можно ехать в тайгу, можно ехать сюда отдыхать. У нас лес, у нас грибы, ягоды, целый сезон, начиная с весны. Так что ехать можно.
Behind me you can see old well. By the way, this well is not working. To get some water, people need to go far away from here to another well and take water from there. Can you imagine this? But I hope you like this video still. By the way, if you want to visit this village Rybtsi, you can come to Galina Mikhailovna. She will be happy to meet you in her house. She'll be happy to show you her animals, her pets, her big house, this beautiful forest where we relaxed. Yeah. So, put your comments below this video. Feel free. Do you like this video or no? Also, put your favorite topics which you want to discuss with me on our videos. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, simply clicking on the subscribe button lower right under this video. And of course to click on notification bell button to not miss our new live episodes, which we are doing for you every Saturday and Sunday at 10 AM Eastern Time. So thank you guys that you were with me today, and have a good day. Bye bye.